Hello, crafters! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest product reviews. Today, we have something special for all you crafting enthusiasts out there. We're going to talk about the Ecraft paper trimmer scoring board, which is hands down one of the best paper trimmers for crafters available in the market. Crafting is all about precision and quality, and the Ecraft paper trimmer scoring board delivers just that. This versatile tool is perfect for various crafting projects, from making cards to creating beautiful gift boxes, envelopes, and more. Let's dive into the features that make this paper trimmer stand out from the rest. First, check out its foldable design. This 12 by 12 inch trim and scoreboard can be easily folded in half, making it incredibly space efficient and convenient for storage. It comes with a detachable scoring tool that allows you to create flawless, crisp lines in seconds. Whether you're making invitations or scoring paper for a book cover, this tool has got you covered. Crafting demands precision, and the Ecraft paper trimmer has a transparent guide ruler that ensures you can cut along straight lines with ease. No more uneven edges or dragging while cutting. Craft with confidence. The blade on this trimmer is extremely sharp and durable, allowing you to cut up to 12 sheets of paper at once. Say goodbye to jagged edges. This trimmer offers measurements in both inches and centimeters, giving you the flexibility to work in your preferred unit. It's perfect for various crafting needs, including book covers. To protect your work surface, the Ecraft paper trimmer has 12 anti-skid plastic stabilizers on the base. Plus, it includes 2 fastening plate buckles that allow you to switch plate sizes easily. Now, let's see this paper trimmer in action. I'm going to demonstrate how easy it is to create a precise cut and a clean fold for your crafting projects. As you can see, the Ecraft paper trimmer scoring board makes crafting a breeze. The results are clean, professional, and perfect for any paper crafting project. From making beautiful boxes to crafting cards, invitations, and even book covers, this paper trimmer is a must-have for every crafter. And the best part? It's incredibly affordable. You can get your hands on this fantastic tool for just $20.99 on Amazon.com. So, there you have it, crafters. The Ecraft paper trimmer scoring board is undoubtedly one of the best paper trimmers you can get for your crafting needs. It's versatile, easy to use, and delivers fantastic results. Don't miss out on this essential tool for your crafting arsenal. Get yours today. If you've used this paper trimmer before, share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another honest product review from Product Critique. Happy crafting, everyone!